Hello there, how are you? Oh, it's lovely to see you. All waiting for the story. I I was looking forward to seeing you all today. Well, do give me a wave, all of those who are watching me. That'll be fun for me. And please, you must give me your suggestions and your ideas or the names of the stories you would like to listen. So let's get started. Now, today, the story's name is The Bad Cock Yolly Bird. What? The cock yolly bird. That's right. And here is the bird. You can draw the bird later on and color it like I tell you what its colors were. Let's find out who this cock yolly bird is. The bad cock yolly bird. And this story is from the toys world, right? I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, and it has been written by Enid Blyton. So let's get started. The cock yolly bird lived in the nursery with the other toys. He was a colorful creature with red plush wings, a yellow tail, and a green body. Nice colors. He could be wound up with a key, and then he walked along in a jerky manner. You've all had these toys, and I'm sure you all have these toys, and they walk, when you wind them with the key, they walk like that, and it would say kakak, 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 kakak as he walked along. Now, the cock yolly bird was a great nuisance. He was always picking up things that belonged to other people and running off with them. Do you think that's a good thing to do? I can see no. Yes. He ran off with the big doll's hair ribbon, and she couldn't find it anywhere. She had to tie it round her hat. Oh my God, where do you suppose he had put it? Can you guess? He had stuffed it up the tap in the basin. What an unusual place. When Nurse turned on the tap, out came the ribbon. She was so surprised. He ran off with the baby doll's shoes next. The baby doll had taken them off because they were rather tight, and she was enjoying herself running about in her bare feet. And when she wanted her shoes, obviously they had gone. The cock yolly bird took them, said one of the toys. Now the clockwork mouse said, "The cock yolly bird took them. I saw him. He has thrown him out of the window." So the baby doll had to climb down. See, you can see them flying out of the window. What a naughty thing to do, isn't it? So the baby doll had to climb down the apple tree outside and go to hunt for her slippers in the dark. And she did not like it at all. Everyone scolded the cock yolly bird, but he only grinned and said, "Kakak, kakak. If I could find some place to put your things so that you find them so easily, I'd hide them away properly." And then one day, the cock yolly bird did find a place to put things. Where do you suppose it was? You'll never guess. It was in the big money box that stood up on the nursery mantelpiece. There you are. You can have a good look. Would anybody guess that it would be inside that? He found a button of the soldier's tunic, and he picked it up and popped it into the slit of the money box. Clink! It went. It fell in among the pennies and lay there. Then the cock yolly bird hunted about for something else. Kakak, 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 kakak. It was all okay. Then he hunted for something and found the lamb's tail. It was always loose and had fallen off onto the floor. Onto the floor. The cock jolly bird picked it up and flew off with it. He stuffed it into the money box. Aha, the lamb wouldn't know where it had gone. He would look for it all over the place. Then the cock jolly bird found the brooch belonging to the walking doll. Dear me, he was pleased. He had once asked the walking doll to lend it to him when he went to a party, and she would not. So now she would be punished, thought the bad cock jolly bird. He pushed it into the money box. It fell inside with a little tinkling noise. But the worst thing he did was to take the teddy bear's glass eye. The bear had two beautiful eyes, both made of brown glass, round and shining. But one was loose and sometimes came out. Then it had to be stuck in again. Oh, the teddy bear wanted to romp about one night, so he took his loose eye out and laid it carefully down on a chair in the doll's house. That was where the cock jolly bird found it. He picked it up in his beak and flew off with it at once. Clink! Where did you think it went? It went into the money box, making the clinking, clanking sound. Oh, what to do there was when the teddy bear found his eye gone. Poor fellow! I know that wicked cock jolly bird has taken it, he cried. Oh, I know he has. Poor little teddy bear can't go out for a walk now. The toys surrounded the cock jolly bird and shouted him, "Where's the teddy bear's eye? Where's the walking doll's brooch? Where's the lamb's tail? Where's the soldier's button? Aha, oh-ho, where you won't be able to get them," grinned the cock jolly bird. "They're all in the money box." Ta-ta-ta! The toys stared at him in horror and dismay. And in the money box? Why, that was always locked. How would they open it? They would never be able to get anything out of that. "Oh, you bad, wicked, cocky, jolly bird! Oh, you bad, wicked, cock, jolly bird!" shouted everyone in a rage. The cock jolly bird flung back his head. What a wicked laugh. He laughed and laughed and laughed. He did like to see the toys so angry. And as he was laughing, his key came loose and suddenly it dropped to the floor. Clang! In a trice, the baby doll caught it up in her hand. She raced to the nearest chair. She climbed up to the back. She jumped up from there to the mantelpiece and she ran to the money box. She dropped the cock jolly bird's key into the slit in the money box. Clang, clang, clang. There it's going into the money box. Everyone stared. The cock jolly bird broke into loud wailing. "Cackay! Cackay! Cackay! What have you done with my key? When I'm run down, I shan't be able to wound up. I shan't be able to walk or fly or peck. Oh, you wicked, wicked baby doll!" "You deserve it," said everyone at once. "If you put things belonging to us in the money box, why shouldn't we put in things belonging to you? It serves you right." So it did. When his clockwork ran down, there was no key to wind up the cocky-yolly bird, so just had to stand in his corner and glare at everyone and wish and wish and wish that he had never been so stupid as to tell people what a good hiding place the money box was. When Mother's birthday came, the children who lived in the nursery opened their money box to get out some money to buy Mother a present. And dear me, how surprised they were to find so many queer, strange things coming out of the money box. How did they get there? Imagine an eye, a tail, a button, a brooch. The cock-yolly bird got his beak back also. And then, of course, he was happy. And the teddy bear got his glass eye back. All the others got their things back too. And just remember this. Cock-yolly bird, said the teddy bear, as he stuck in his glass eye once more and glared at the bird, "Whether we shall only be too pleased to put your key in the money box. If you play any more tricks, mind that. So behave yourself in future." And how the cock-yolly bird is as good as gold. He did such a shock. He got such a shock when his key went into the money box. He doesn't want it to happen again, you may be sure. So do you think he did a nice thing? I guess not. We should not do things to others which we would not like to happen to us. Is that right? Yes, we're all same. We're all precious. We're all important. And we're all each other's friends. So be good. Keep smiling and be happy. Lovely to see you. See you soon.